Students, in this video we shall discuss about major rivers of India. So we shall study map of India, and in that map we shall discuss rivers and lakes in India. So let's start. First of all, go through the map of India, and in detail let's start from top. So here you can see river Indus. This river Indus is originated in Tibet, and then it enters in Jammu and Kashmir from Ladakh, and then it goes to Pakistan. Here you can see Buller Lake. Then we have some main tributaries of river Indus. You can see Jhelum is here, Chenab is here, river Ravi is here, Beas and Satluj are two other major tributaries of river Indus. Then you can see river Ganga. At Dev-Prayag, two rivers, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, makes river Ganga. And then river Yamuna becomes a tributary of river Ganga in Uttar Pradesh. Some other tributaries are river Chambal, river Betwa, Sharda, Ghagra, Gandak, Son and Kosi. And from Bengal, it enters in Bangladesh. One branch of river Ganga goes through the Bengal and Calcutta. This distributary is called river Hooghly. I repeat, this distributary is called river Hooghly. Then another major river, Himalayan river of North India, is Brahmaputra. You can see. Again, it starts near Mansarovar in Tibet, and in Tibet, this river is known as Sangpo river. And then it takes U-turn and enters in India through Arunachal Pradesh. There it is known as the Hang river. Lohit joins river Brahmaputra, and then major portion of river Brahmaputra flows through Assam. Then it enters in Bangladesh, and in Bangladesh it is known as Jamuna. And in Bangladesh, river Ganga also joins river Brahmaputra. Remember one thing, river Ganga and river Brahmaputra, they form largest delta of the world, which is known as Sundarban Delta. Why it is called Sundarbans? It is named after a tree found in Sundarbans. The name of the tree is Sundari. Here you can see Sambar Lake. It is salt lake in Rajasthan. Then we have Rana Pratap Sagar and Gandhi Sagar. Here we have Gobind Ballabh Pant Sagar. Here is Gobind Sagar Lake. Then in South India, river Narmada and river Tapi are flowing towards Arabian Sea. These are the two main rivers in India which joins Arabian Sea, and these rivers forms estuary. All the rivers which flows towards eastern side of India and joins Bay of Bengal. All these rivers form delta. So here you can see river Narmada, river Tapi. Here you can see river Mahanadi. Then we have Godavari. Here we have Nizam Sagar. Then we have Krishna river and Naga Arjuna Sagar is there on this river. Then we have Tungabhadra river which joins Krishna. Then another river is river Kaveri in South India. It is another very important river. Then we have some lakes, Chilika Lake, Lake Kolaru, Pulicat, etc. So these are major rivers of North and South India. So once again, you can see map of India and all the major rivers and lakes which are found in India.